B, Pizza Daddy.
Xander, can you spell Xander?
L-N-A-N-D-E-R.
Can you spell Crosby?
C-R-O-S-B-Y.
Very good.
Beep.
What's this?
Bottle.
Who gets a bottle?
Does baby get bottle?
What do we say?
What do you say?
You say please? Say please.
Please.
And now what do you say?
And then afterwards we cackle evilly.
Welcome.
All right. Enjoy your bottle, baby Xander. Love you.